What is up? Look like it's about time to make an update to the progress over here, where they have that Resort with that Mattel Theme Park next to it. Kind of check it out. Looks like they're still doing a lot of construction over there. From the highway, we can see some more pieces going in for the Mattel. Let's go check out the resort side first. Looks like they've laid down some foundation and for something right here. There's the camera. I don't know, that's going to be parking. Pretty interesting. This is that place that has the horseshoe-shaped hotel rooms where you're going to be able to watch these concerts from your rooms. But my guess is that that's the stage, and that over here is going to be where the audience would be, which would make sense for all these balcony rooms having view of the concert from their rooms. That'd be pretty cool. Hopefully the sound is good and everything. I don't know what material they're using, but you know, you could be to where you're in this room, let's say on the right, and you're getting the sound that's coming directly from the speakers, but then you're also getting the sound reverberating off of the walls to your left at a delay, and then you just get nothing but echo. And the Metallica concert, if you look it up, they did this weird thing in all the Coliseums with these round speaker things. And evidently, if you were down closer to the ground level in those places, it sounded great. But when you went up to like level 4, like where we were for Metallica, it's got this nasty echo. And I actually knew that might be coming because I caught a video somebody did on it, and they showed that up on the higher levels, you know, you were getting this echo off of the stadium itself. That was just as loud as the audio coming primarily from the speakers, and it made a nasty echo. Sometimes you couldn't even tell what they were singing, and indeed that was the case even over there at the well, I guess I'll show you. At that Coliseum right there is where I saw Metallica a month ago or whatever it was. Maybe it's been more than that. Yeah, so it was pretty cool.
It was like 2 or 3 months ago.
Was it that long ago now? But yeah, there was some crazy echo. So for some reason I wasn't thinking of it before I was recording. I just thought of it just now. But that could be the case. So if you're like on one side of the balcony and you could, you know, be getting quite a bit of reverb sound, reflective sound, or whatever you want to say, mixed in with the primary sound coming, you know, direct from the speakers and everything, and that could not be good. So hopefully that doesn't happen. It might actually work really well. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, that definitely makes sense that the stage would be down where the yellow is. And maybe that yellow is something totally different in the stage, actually. Yeah. That, where all those pillars are yellow, that might not be. Maybe the stage is right there in the middle of my screen now. And then the seating will be right down in here. That's probably the case. That actually looks more like a stage to me now. So that's probably just something else. I heard there was going to be water, some sort of water rides or features, which is probably that. And that's what I said before in my older videos, is that looks like maybe there's some pumps or something weird down in there.
I'm excited
they dug that
for this
really
to open.
What's that?
I'm excited for this to open.
You're excited for it to open?
Yeah.
Because of the Mattel side?
Yeah, because it's in Arizona too, which...
So it looks like there's going to be a little hotel or some further part of the resort. I don't know if it's, you know, if there's all part of the same or if it's just 2 different companies. I figure it's the same one.
Dude, we get barely any like cool like theme parks or anything. So that's cool that we finally get something.
Yeah, it's not that big, but it's gonna be cool. There is gonna be other things here, but all right now you're just seeing the little roller coaster thing. As far as you can see, it's just, you know, has a little up and down on top. It looks like it's gonna go down through that opening there, and then, you know, actually I think that's coming back. I imagine it's going to start on, it's going to go the other direction. It's going to go counterclockwise. It's going to go down through that little spiral thing.
I feel
and
like...
then it's going to, the lift is going to bring it back up.
I feel like
through the
they should have started this like a couple years ago, because the Barbie movie came out this year, and if this opened this year, it probably would have been really busy.
They got some AC units for us to check out in a second. But while I'm on the subject of the roller coaster, I want to take a look at what I've been seeing from the highway over here. And it looks like there's going to be some of it going through the building. So I imagine there's more of it going to be right here. Let's see. I want to make sure.
That's going to be a really big roller coaster, dude.
Yeah. Let me get away from that sign. Just zoom in. But it looks like they have something going right here. So I don't know if this is going to be... Look, see, they're getting the foundation for the supports. So I believe the roller coaster is going to go out this side also. So that's going to be pretty cool.
Well, you can already see a part of it.
Yeah, I can see this from the highway. I'm kind of curious about it. Oop, I just lost signal. We're kind of coming back. Yep, so it's going to go in and out of this building over here. It looks like. And it's going to have something over here. I don't know. I'm guessing. We'll see more in future updates, but anyway, it looks like there's quite a bit going on over there. And speaking of quite a bit of action, they have these... There we go. But they got this major... They have this cement factory pretty much right here. And sometimes I see like a line of like 10 plus cement trucks. They just load them up. So they make a lot of cement on site with all the raw materials. There's all those cement trucks over there. Just all back in there. You can see them from the highway when they're busy. So they got some...
This place is going to be really...
apartments or condos over there, and then a new phase of them going in over there. I think I've already filmed those. So I'm not going to go too long on this video because we've already been filming it. This is just to kind of go over and see the changes. So let me zoom in. Got some big old units on top. I don't know what they're using. I don't know if these are like McQuay or Train or Carrier. Doesn't really look like Carrier units. Let me go over.
I don't really know anything about AC units, but from sitting here with you a bunch of times, I think that one right there is Train. I don't know.
Train does have those tops kind of like that where they go higher.
It's just really long.
It's weird they had stuff the
Wasn't it
packaging
Train
on that
that's
one. It
really-
makes it look all old, but it's new. That definitely looks like Train Voyager right there. Small Voyager. Let's see what we got over here. Oh yeah, I see that. It looks like it might be an orange Train logo. We'll see on the screen later. Right by me.
Sounded like a bunch of bees
Yeah.
were coming, and I was like, oh, I was about to roll up the window, dude. I got so scared there for a second.
Yeah, so they got Train up here, it looks like.
I think that might be a construction vehicle right there. I wonder if they're working on that Mattel
Quite a few of
Theme
them.
Park right there.
Yeah. Probably VAV systems, most of it. And there's some more of that track for the roller coaster. You should see another, looks like another roof jack and everything for the going in for the another train unit probably. Here's this thing. So it's just going to go down in a spiral and then go back inside, it looks like. Go inside, have some sort of weird thing, and then it just pop up through the roof right here. Look, they got some stuff laying in there they got to cut out yet. Interesting. Goes up and down and a hard turn left. Back down. It's kind of weird how that seems like a pretty closed track right there. I don't see how it interconnects with what I saw on the other side. Or Oh, you know.
It was orange on the other side.
Yeah, and maybe it's not. Maybe that's something totally different over there.
That's
maybe
kinda
it's
cool,
another
though.
ride. Maybe it's a bigger ride. Maybe it's a smaller ride. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just making guesses.
Well, I said, why did the track turn orange? But I didn't say that. I was just, oh, maybe it just changed color.
Yeah.
Oh, that was part of Hot Wheels, I'm pretty sure. Because a lot of Hot Wheels tracks are orange. So that would make sense for that to be a Hot Wheel. Because I heard they're going to have a whole section for Hot Wheels where people will actually be able to, like, race in cars practically.
There's going to be a car track on here? Somewhere?
Kind of like a fun one. Not like a real racetrack.
Well, maybe that's what the track is you're on the track. You're sitting in there. Who knows?
That part's what I'm really excited for.
Alright.
Because I've heard a little bit about this. Well, I've heard quite a bit about it. It's coming this next year, I think.
Oh, yeah?
I think so.
I don't know. Looks like it's got a ways to go.
Either 2024 or 2025.
Yep, unless everything's
Aircraft
behind.
requesting go home.
Yep, cancel. We'll go back in a second after I get this little shot right here. Okay, this might be the thumbnail. Alright, well, I might think of another place to go fly and do some stuff. I would like to find some more HVAC related stuff. So anyway, with that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and all that stuff. Catch you later.